So the second way to refill the coins in the CC6100, we're gonna have to go into the administrative settings. So the first way to refill the coins, you don't need to go into the administrative settings. But for the second way we're gonna show you, you do have to. So we're gonna show you how to do that too. Okay. So you press D 3 times, and it's gonna tell you to do the unlock sequence. Very simple, A, B, C, and D. We're gonna go right. We're gonna go to code 107 to configure cash float mode. That is the second way to use refilling coins. We're gonna go to float type A, press enter. And 107 basically means setting the minimum amount of coins in each tube. So, as you can see, there's a value and what denomination. So we're gonna change the quarter quantity. Say you don't want too much coins in there, so we're gonna set that. Now the dollar coins, currently it's at 28. We're just gonna bring it down to 20. So we just set the maximum amount of coins that the cassette will hold. And we're gonna save those. And then we're gonna go to 108 so we can activate this. So once it's activated, code 126, that is how we're gonna fill up the coin changer. So option 100 is through the top. 126, you'll be able to fill it up through the cassette itself. So you can fill up your coins. Place the cassette back into the unit, and it will give you an accurate quantity of coins in each tube.